So the rule is if you get here before 5, you don't need a timed entry reservation or a permit or anything like that. Sun's almost up. It is cold. It is now almost 7 a.m. The sun is about to rise, and I'm so exhausted. I'm not gonna make it very long today. I had to come here before 5 and then sit and wait for this, so I am gonna go get it before it's too late. Off I go. Parking lot is full. Three-quarters of a mile for the loop. Whew. Look at those fish. Wow, it looks behind me. Look at all those beautiful clouds. Wonder if I can make it to the other side of the lake in time. Pretty aspens over there. Oof, wow. Okay, made it to the other side. Moment of truth. Wow. Oh my god, it's so pretty. Found this little path turn off thing in the bush.
You want to walk around?
You can kind of see the full colors there. Smells like Christmas trees. No moose here today. It is so cold. It's like 40 something degrees, maybe 30. I just finished walking around Sprague Lake. I am gonna walk over to Bear Lake now and see if I can find parking. This place is super crowded. I can't believe the whole parking lot was full before the sun even came up. That's pretty nuts. I guess that's why if you don't have a reservation, you have to get here before 5 and then sit in the dark for 2 hours. Because this place really is that popular. It's amazing. I mean, with the fall colors, and that was a killer sunrise. Cannot complain. Let's go check out Bear Lake. The rain did a pretty good job cleaning my windshield last night. That's good. Wow. Bear Lake Road. Most popular part of Rocky Mountains National Park. Everybody's got one of these timed entries. Kind of reminds me of Guadalupe Mountains. Pretty. think Sprague Lake is my favorite. There's a lot of lakes here. The sign at the trailhead listed like 8 of them that you could walk to from here. Due to increased park visitation in recent years, Rocky Mountain National Park has implemented a timed entry system from May until October during the busiest times of the day, which they note are from 9 a.m. to 2 p.m. Reservations are only a couple dollars and can be made on recreation.gov. Anyone who is unable to secure a spot can come into the park outside those hours. The only exception is the Bear Lake corridor, which is the area I'm visiting in this video. This requires a different or additional reservation for the hours of 5 a.m. to 2 p.m., which is why I had to arrive so early in the morning. There's also a hiker shuttle that visitors can take to access this eastern region of the park that departs from the visitor center in Estes Park. It connects to the park and ride spot inside of the Bear Lake corridor, where there are 2 additional shuttles. One leads to Bear Lake, one leads to Moraine Park. Advanced reservations are required for this shuttle as well and can be made online.
Because we'd be halfway there. That side. But let's just go
Hopefully
to,
up there.
right, let's see up there.
Emerald Lake is the famous one, but I heard the bridge was closed on their website.
Lake, you're gonna look and say, oh look, there's another lake over there.
There's so many lakes. Looks like the parking lot's fully packed. No. 8:20 in the morning. And there is the shuttle. I'm glad I decided to come and do this lake. I almost talked myself out of it. Sheesh. It is 8:30. I am effing starving, and I am also really jonesing for some coffee. So that is what I'm gonna do now that I've walked around 2 lakes. So that was a special morning. I'm glad that I did it, and I am really looking forward to sustenance in the physical form, not in the visual. Okay, anyways, bye-bye. I don't think I ever really knew that aspens had like a red hue after they were gold. I thought gold was like their final form. This is why there's reservations. Look at the line on that. So once I leave here, I cannot come back into this part of the park. Bye, elk. Just chilling in the park. There's a bunch of them. And the journey south begins. And just like that, out of the mountains and into the city. Roadside rest area overlooking a airfield. It's even a skydiver. Guess who finally caved? I got a hotel for the night. I'm exhausted. I've been on the go since 3 a.m. this morning, and I am going to take this opportunity to have a nice shower and do some laundry, sleep in a comfy bed. I need this.